Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips to help you improve your financial health. Today, we're going to focus on mastering good debts and skyrocketing your credit score. Tip number 1, prioritize paying off high-interest debts first to save money in the long run. Tip number 2, make all of your debt payments on time to avoid late fees and negative marks on your credit report. Tip number 3, keep your credit utilization ratio low by using no more than 30% of your available credit. If you like it so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips. Tip number 4, regularly monitor your credit report to ensure there are no errors or fraudulent activity. Tip number 5, diversify your credit mix by having a healthy balance of different types of debts, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Remember, improving your credit score takes time and discipline, so be patient and stay focused. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to mastering good debts and skyrocketing your credit score. Well, if you're interested to learn how to achieve financial freedom, click on the link in the description to download the free ebook